This is another 10-minute quick portrait, which is practice for an upcoming event. And this reference, really lovely reference, was shared as part of the Let's Face It year-long portraiture class. And sometimes it's a bit hard to tell where images online have come from, but I like to do a reverse image search on Google, and I found that this was over 100 years old. This is a Armenian couple. Here we just see one half of the couple, and this photo was taken in 1921, and just, yeah, really wonderful reference and fun sketching this in the style that I also did my recent live stream in, where I was using these Derwent inktense pencils, water-soluble pencils, doing 10-minute portraits. And today, as I'm recording this, is Monday. On Wednesday, I'm going to be going to Düsseldorf to participate in a live event where I'll be doing hours and hours of 10-minute portraits. So it's really nice to be able to practice from home and have some really lovely reference to work with. And I'm really excited to let you know soon how the event was. And live sketching, doing quick sketches, is something I've been really excited about doing for a long time. So thank you so much, Jenny Adams, for inviting or recommending me for this job. It's going to be really cool. I'll also be doing another live stream this Saturday, which will be a giveaway live stream. So make sure you're subscribed and checking out my upcoming events, and have a look on my Instagram as well. I've almost reached 18,000 followers. So this is going to be a celebration live stream, and I'll be giving away the sketches that I do during it. And I would love to have you come and join and maybe draw along.